kicking it live from the SAC. Check it out now. Yo, check it. From the bottom, we going straight to the top. I gotta say what's up to the block that embraced me, the city that creates cheese, the SAC. With my gun in my waist, I work extra free from the haters. They chat about my style like gators. Player hater, terminator, innovator, all the rhyme in this time. I make music like FUBU for us, by us, living suckers in the dust. Who I trust? I don't trust nobody, not even my shadow. My mind stuck in grind mode to stock though. To bring wealth to my people, underneath we all equal. In the eyes of the bendito, that's God. It's bad how we sell ourselves. Try to sell our souls for some record sales. We gotta come up to fulfill our hunger, but always keep it real, but without losing our conscience. Oh. We gotta stop the player hating. Oh. We gotta embrace our community. We gotta show more unity. Check it. I'm so free like the air that I breathe, with a heart that is real. I'd rather fucking die in the streets than in a cell, can you tell? I've been a suspect since day one. I survived with a gun, now I ride around to landmines. I gotta watch every step I take. I keep a piece of me, like meditate, I always pray for better days and guidance. A way out the hood to bring back pride and kindness, not nonsense. Like being a slave with a whip and a chain. I think that we can change if we just take a break and look around for that noise, that sound. The boys to unite us as young and proud individuals. The shit that I spit is just to reach you, all in a digital form, into your speakers. The time's now to reinforce our lives. So we're 50 million plus, nothing in the world stopping this. Yo, check it. Hip hop from the Golden City, Santa Ana. All day, every day, y'all. And we out.